Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone overheating after iOS 26 update. If you are using any iPhone and your iPhone is overheating after update, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first things you have to do, you have to close all of your recent apps or background apps from here. So you have to press and hold it up, and here you will get all of your recent apps. You just have to close all of these apps. So once you have closed, you just have to close all of the unnecessary connections from here. So I'm going to close all. If you are not using Wi-Fi, so you have to try to disable your Wi-Fi also, and here you have to disable all the unnecessary connections. And once you have done, you have to go to your settings, and here first of all you have to make sure that you are not using your iPhone at charging, or if your iPhone is on charging, so you have to shut down your phone and put it up. You have to do not use your phone on charging, or if you're using your phone without charging, so you have to open your settings and go for general, go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available. To check that, you have to enable your Wi-Fi or cellular, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you're still having any software update, you have to try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that there is any pending software update available, so it can affect on overheating on your phone. So once you have updated your software, you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings. Here you have to enter your passcode, and once you have entered your passcode, all of your setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. And once you have resetted your settings, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, so now what you have to do, you have to install iOS 18 again on your phone. So you have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for beta profile. And once you have searched, you'll get to this type website. And from here, you have to scroll down and look for the developer option here. Select the developer option, and here you will get the iOS 18 beta profile. You have to tap on install profile, and then tap on install option. Then tap on allow, and once you have allowed, your iOS 26 version will be changed or downgrade to iOS 18 again, and after that your phone will not overheat. No, so in this way you can easily fix if your iOS or your iPhone is overheating after iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.